Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off typing indicator on Messenger. While there is no switch to turn this generally, you have to do it individually. So you have to do it individually between your friends. So make sure you have the latest version installed on your device. So to turn off typing indicator, open Messenger and click the friend you want to turn off typing indicator with. Now click the top right corner. What you have to do is to scroll down to where it says typing indicator. Click on it. Here you can now turn it off. When you are typing, your friends wouldn't know that you are typing. So that's how you turn off typing indicator on Messenger. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.